Once upon a time in the heart of the African savannah, there lived a young boy named Kofi. Kofi had a heart full of curiosity and a spirit as adventurous as the endless grasslands that surrounded his village. One sunny morning, while exploring near a watering hole, he encountered an unexpected friend, a gentle lion cub named Leo. Leo was unlike any other lion Kofi had ever heard of. He was not fierce or frightening. Instead, he was kind and playful. The two quickly became inseparable. They raced through the tall grass, splashed in the watering hole, and shared stories under the starry night sky. As the days passed, Kofi's friendship with Leo brought great joy to his village. The villagers were amazed by the unusual bond between the young boy and the lion cub. They soon realized that Leo was not a threat, but a guardian of the savannah, protecting the animals from harm. Together, Kofi and Leo taught their village that friendship could be found in the most unexpected places. They showed that even a lion, known as the king of the jungle, could have a heart full of love. And so, in the heart of the African savannah, a remarkable friendship between a young boy and a lion cub became a legend, reminding everyone that true friendship knows no boundaries.